God, it's Friday. Welcome back to Coffee Chat.
Your identity is concerned. God is so good, He will give you angels.
Mag-aral ka ng dance, voice, lahat ng pwede mong pasukan na aralin mo.
Sa mga director, producers, designers. Number 1 yan sa mga designers. Kasi sila yung...
Parang, why would you wait for challenges to come? Hindi ba challenge yung araw-araw na?
Where we brew amazing conversations and inspiring stories. Hello everyone and welcome back to Coffee Chat Season 3 where we brew amazing conversations and inspiring stories. My name is Ivan Avano, your host for Season 3. Ayan, again guys, thanks God, it's Friday. Maulan ang ating Friday for today. So guys, wag kayong magpapabasa ha para hindi tayo magkasakit. Okay? Yan, so mga ka-coffee mates and ka-coffee cakes, we have a very special guest for today. Ayan, isa lamang naman siyang cinematographer. Pero before tayo pumunta dyan, bibitinin ko muna kayo konti. But we would like to invite everyone to please do follow, like, and subscribe to our official fan pages. Unang-una na dyan ang Ignis Novus Artist Management. In Facebook and in Instagram, that's Ignis Novus Artist Management. And in TikTok, that's at ignisnovus.official. And of course, ang ating mother production ng First Son Production. Please do also follow, like, and subscribe to our official pages in Facebook and in Instagram. That's First Son Production. And if you want to watch the replays of our live streams, kasama na dyan yung mga educational contents natin at teasers of our upcoming theater shows and even corporate events. So you may follow us in YouTube at First Son Creatives. And also would like to invite everyone to please do subscribe to our live streams. That's every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. 7 p.m. under Ignis Novus Artist Management. Unang-una na dyan, syempre, every Monday ang Chikahan with Mami Ray, followed by Up Top Download Podcast with Rian Aragon and Ryan Howe. That's every Wednesday, 7 p.m. And of course, Coffee Chat with the Ven Noveno. That's every Friday, 7 p.m. So make your MWF 7 p.m. have it with Ignis Novus Artist Management. And also, guys, we would also like to thank to everyone, naubos yung English ko, di ba? To everyone who have joined our open editions last week, no? In Mirror Studio under, syempre, First Son Production and Ignis Novus Artist Management. Again, maraming salamat po. Yan, so hindi ko napapatagalin, guys. Our special guest for today, he is a cinematographer, a filmmaker, and a content creator. So let's all please do welcome Mr. Jong Medina. Hi, sir!
Hello po.
Yan, welcome po to Coffee Chat.
Hello po.
Ayan. So before tayo mag-start, batiin muna natin yung mga audience natin right now. Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, sa ating mga viewers dyan. And syempre, sir, welcome again to Coffee Chat. So
Yes,
dito, while we're having conversation, gusto natin chill lang tayo. Ayan.
Yes.
So we have coffee here, so feel free to take a sip whenever you
Okay.
like it. Okay? Sige. Siguro, sir, warm-up question lang muna,
Alright,
for
sige,
the both of us.
Okay.
Sir, pwede mo ba kaming kwentuhan? Paano po ba kayo nagsimula as a cinematographer and filmmaker and at the same time content creator?
Ayan, okay. That's a very nice question. Actually, all of us here, kasi kanina napagkwentuhan na rin namin, we all share the same passion. We all share the same interest. We all share the same na we are camera geeks, di ba? Namin, like, nahilig kami sa cameras, comms kami, kasi I am a
Yes.
comm graduate. So, it all started during my high school days. Taga Isabela kasi ako. So, province of
okay.
Isabela. So,
Ilocano kayo, sir?
yes,
Okay.
Ilocano. Yan. So, shoutout sa mga Ilocano. Sa mga natin, sa mga nanonood sa atin na taga Isabela, na mga friends natin dyan. Ayun, so, I started when I was, anong year ba to? 2012. Uy, tagal
Okay,
na, no?
wow.
That was 14, 14 years
14
ago.
years
Siguro,
ago, yeah.
doon lang nag-spark yung interest ko na may camera kami, ganyan. Di ba, doon naman simula, may
Yes.
camera ka sa bahay. Tapos, biglang, uy, pitik-pitik ka dyan, mga halaman, yung mga
Yes,
aso mo, sushoot mo, ganyan. Tapos, parang it turned out na if you are familiar with special program in the arts, pumasok ako doon. Sa school namin, public school. So, media arts ako. Then doon na nagtuloy-tuloy. Tapos, yung ano ko, yun yung nangyari sa academically. Kumbaga, academically, na-push ako academically. I am not the best in school. Hindi ako matalino. Kumbaga, out of the, example, 40 students, siguro, ranking ko like around 25 to 30 and below lang. Ganun lang ako. Well, you're just going to school, you're having fun, di ba? Tinatarantado mo lang yung mga ibang masadyante. Kasi dyan mga klase, mga ganyan. So, parang, ayun, ganun lang. It's just turned out to that. Then, here it comes, 2018.
Okay.
2018. Noong 2018, isa akong batang probinsyano. Nagpunta ako ng Maynila. Unang lapag ko ng Maynila. Like, I am 16 years old, hindi ko alam kung ano ang kalakaran sa Maynila. Like, 10 p.m., supposedly tulog ka na, pero the night is still alive. Yung ganun,
Yes.
like parang, culture shock ako kasi bilang taga-probinsya naging ganun. Pero well, it's a good thing kasi nag-aaral ako sa Eugenio Lopez Junior Center for Media Arts. It's School of ABS-CBN before.
Yes.
So, lucky enough kami na full force pa noon sa amin si ABS-CBN nung binigay sa amin yan. And doon ako nagkaroon ng interest na ang dami kong na-meet na mga tao, na katulad ko. So, parang nabuhayan ako ng dugo na, okay, possible pala na magkaroon ako ng mga tao sa paligid ko na kauri ko. Parang ganun. So, yeah, same attitude, same ng galaw, same ng kung paano ako. Parang ganun. Parang akong tao na like I find myself na okay, belong ako rito.
Okay.
Okay. After that, college, pandemic hits.
Yes,
Yun.
2019.
Yes, 2019, pero yung pinaka-naramdaman talaga namin is 2020.
2020, yes.
Pandemic is one of the darkest parts of our life, but it's one of the biggest breakthrough ng digital era.
Totoo yan.
That's
Yes.
Example, ang pinaka-nag-boom dyan, Zoom.
Zoom.
Diba? Zoom.
Yes.
Nag-boom ang GCash. Kasi everything's online, di ba?
Yes.
So, yun, cashless payments everywhere. But, on the other side, mas nakitaan ko yung worth ng pagiging media practitioner kasi nagamit namin siya, yung skills mo sa editing, skills mo sa pag-shoot, ganyan, creating virtual events, yan. So during the pandemic, hindi ko siya nakita na parang hindrance. Nakita ko siya na bilang it's a very nice opportunity to expand.
Yes.
No, yun. So after that, flash forward, year 2024, I graduated in college. Then, ayun na, full-time, the business, legal na. May papers na. So,
Welcome
yun.
to the real world.
Yes, real
Ganyan.
world na. You're welcome to tax. Yan na, mga tax. Yan na, mga legalities, papers, documents, and whatsoever. So, yun yung naging simula. And, nung bata ako, hindi ko naman siya alam na parang may ganito pala. Kasi it's ever first in the family, first in the bloodline na okay, meron na nakamit ng ganon. No? So, it's first on the bloodline na mapunta sa ganong level kasi yung family, well, the standard family, provincial family, sobrang traditional, no? Na kailangan mo magtapos ng ganitong course in order to work 9 to 5, in order to work to this. And ayun, parang wala sa family namin ang maging artist. Okay? Yon. So, to be like that, on that side of the media, to the side of creatives, no? And yeah, that's it.
Oh, ang haba ng pinagdaanan, no, sir? Talagang, pero actually, I agree on that kasi nung time ng pandemics, may S. Sumobrang S natin. And nung time ng pandemic, dyan kasi nauso talaga lahat ng digital.
Yes, actually.
As in digitals talaga, mga contents, even payments, GCash nga, sabi mo nga kanina, sir. Ang dami, may mga content creators na sumikat because of the pandemic.
Actually.
Diba? Doon lahat siya nag-boom So, kung meron mang magandang naidulot ng pandemic sa buhay natin, no? Siguro, one of those things are the digital platforms that we have right now. No, kasi doon talaga na-enhance yung lahat.
Yes,
Yan. So, sir, i-cut ko lang muna saglit ha.
Sure.
Tignan lang natin yung comment sections natin. Kasi feeling ko maraming nagme-message right now. Ayan. So, silipin lang natin very, very quick. Ayan. Ang dami ng
Uy, ang
comments.
dami.
Okay, basahin natin isa-isa. From Joanna Bago. Ayan, Miss Bibet. Hello po, pa-shoutout po from Miss Bibet of Marikina. Ayan, hello po sa iyo, Miss Bibet. Gail Alexandra Bautista. Hi, hello. From Arvin Roque. Ayan, good evening po. Magandang gabi. We also have here si Mami Ray, Rachel Pulion. So magandang gabi na at kay Sir Jong. Yan, good evening po sa inyo. We have, sorry, ang liit. Medyo malabo yung mata ko. Ayan. Sobrang laki naman. Ayan, very good. Yan, next po, we have from Eunice Magno. Sorry pa. Yan. Happy Friday po, happy Friday from Jaira Molo. Let's go. Ayan,
Ayun
Joshua
siya, oh.
Fortuna.
Ayun
Ayan,
siya.
si Miss Jai. Hello po sa inyo. Ayan, let's go. From Joshua Fortuna de Maculangan. Good evening po. Yan, Andrew Dolieda. Sana tama po yung pagkaka-pronounce ko, no? Pero magandang gabi po sa inyo. Shoutout po from Makati. Yan, from RG Gutierrez Silva. Gandang gabi po, magandang gabi po. Joseph Bolanos, good evening AM, maulang Friday. Ayan, good evening. We also have Carl Rome Picard. Yan, happy Fridays from Tatay Reynaldo, Florida.
Father ko.
Oh, your father.
Yes,
Yan,
from US. Hello.
Yeah, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Or umaga. Umaga po
Umaga
US
sa
ngayon.
kanila, yes.
Tama. Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Ayan. Jeline Balmores, may mama dyan sila. Hello, magandang gabi po. Yan, from Chris Morito.
Chris and Jai.
Okay, Chris and
Hello.
Jai. Ayan. Shout out po, Jong Medina. Ayan.
Yun.
Shout out kay Tatang Gonzalo at Inang Panin. Nanonood sila. Hello po sa inyo. Shout out po from Bed Still Lying. Yan, from Tatay Ronaldo. Yan. And then, happy weekends from Marvin Astudillo. Ayan, Astudillo. Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyo. So, yan. Maraming salamat po for your initial comments. Yeah, pero kung meron po kayong questions for Sir Jong directly, kindly drop it on our comment section para itatanong po natin ng diretso. Okay? Ayan. So, mabalik tayo sa kwentuhan
Okay
natin,
po,
sir.
sure.
Okay. Now, sir, ang dami nating dinaanan, ang daming nangyari all throughout, no? Anong inspiration niyo, sir? Why you're still continuing this? Kasi in reality right now, 'di ba? Ang daming kompetensya
Yes.
pagdating sa digital, no? And I think that's one of the reason why you extended to content creations, 'di ba? Different niches ng shoots natin. Pero kayo po ba, sir, personally, anong inspiration niyo why you keep on doing this?
Yan. That's a very nice question. Very nice, Actually, hinihintay ko may magtanong sa akin na.
Okay.
Well, it's, kahit saan namang larangan, no, mapunta ka man sa arts, mapunta ka man sa technology, sa business, kanyan. Everything, everywhere, meron ka talagang kompetensya. Pero, ang iniisip ko na lang is, you always have to do it naturally. Hindi mo siya ipipilit, pero at the same time, competitive ka.
Yes.
Okay. So, unahin natin, bakit kailangan natin siyang hindi ipilit? Kasi kapag may bagay ka na gagawin na you are pushing yourself to something na alam mong hindi, kasi meron tayong, kapag may isang bagay kang itatry alam mong may patutunguhan yung bagay na yon,
Yes.
at alam mo ring may hindi patutunguhan yung bagay na naisip mo. So, it's either that way, pipili ka lang talaga kung alin doon yung tatahakin mo. And you just have to really enjoy the journey of doing it. You really have to enjoy to feel it. Hindi mo iniisip kung, okay, this month I will earn like this 6, 7 digits whatsoever. So, iisipin mo na lang na you have to really, ipasok mo siya sa isip mo na you have to really enjoy it. Okay, so another example niyan, yung part naman ng content creation and being passionate of what I'm doing is, it's a gateway, no? Para siyang method ko para to really enjoy lang. Kasi before, I really love, sobrang idol ko yung mga napapanood ko sa YouTube way back like, let's say, 10 years ago. Will Dasovich,
Yes,
Ira, mga yan.
Will, yeah.
So, the young me is, gusto ko yun. Okay? Gusto ko maging ganun. Gusto ko maging Will Dasovich. Gusto ko maging Kong TV before. Like, sabi ko, paano kaya? So, with someone na wala kang masyadong connections, wala kang masyadong resources, no? Pag dumating na sa yung resources na yon, regardless na na may bayad ka man o wala, may kita ka man o wala, may
Mhm.
nanonood man sa'yo wala, you just have to do it kasi hinihil mo yung something na gusto mong gawin noong walang-wala ka pa.
Yes, totoo
Yun.
yan,
So,
no?
yun.
Aha.
Yung parang hinihil mo yung inner child mo na okay, hindi mo, like regardless of how of kung ilan yung taong nanonood, basta
Mhm.
hanggat may isang taong naniniwala, may isang taong nanonood, you will really do it. You have to
Yes.
push it. And
Aha.
hindi mo siya pipilitin, di ba?
Yes.
Hindi mo siya pipilitin,
Aha.
pero kung paano dumadalo yung pagmamahal sa puso mo, yung passion sa puso mo, you always have to do it.
Okay.
Yun. And, ayun, it's tanggal burnout na rin.
Yes.
Tanggal burnout na rin. So, yeah.
Actually, totoo yun eh. Kung gusto mo talaga yung ginagawa mo at na-enjoy mo siya, siguro bonus na lang yung may mga, alam mo may mga pumapasok na currencies. No? Bonus na lang talaga yun, lalo na sa era ngayon ng digital, everyone is exposed already to digital creations, di ba?
Yes.
Ang daling i-access, Facebook, we have
Yes.
Instagram, we have
We have
even
AI.
AIs, di ba? Ang daming nating platforms for us to explore the digital contents.
Yes,
No?
yes.
Pero, sir, ikaw ba, kasi I watching your contents a
Yes,
while
yes,
ago
yes.
kasi I'm interested, no, as a filmmaker, as a cinematography, or for cinematographer, meron kasi kayong kanya-kanyang styles. Tama?
Yes.
So, kayo ba, sir, paano nyo na-discover yung sarili nyong style sa
Okay,
cinematography?
nice. That's very nice. That's a very nice question.
Mhm.
Okay, so, when we are doing content, okay, so nagta-travel kami, nagpupunta kami sa iba't ibang festivals across the country.
Mhm.
So, before, let's say, 6 years ago, 6 years, 2020, pandemic, ganyan, parang, I really want to, well, pabida kasi ako, gusto kong, you have something na mag-stand out.
Yes, okay.
Kasi, para sa akin, kasi nai-inspire ako sa mga example. Bigyan ko example. Dancers.
Mhm.
Pag may dancers, may nakikita kang sumasayaw na nagso-solo, nagbe-breakdance, palakpakan mga tao. Kasi siya lang kayang gumawa.
Aha.
Singer, bumibirit, no? Kumakanta, no? Ganda niya tumugtog ng gitar, ganyan, may solo, palakpakan mga tao. Sabi ko, paano kaya ko mararamdaman yung ganun? Na hindi ako magaling sumayaw, hindi ako magaling kumanta, hindi ako nag-acting. Paano kaya? Sabi ko, so kailangan mo siyang magpakitang gilas in the method kung saan ka mahusay.
Mhm.
So ito, okay, yun na yung yun na yung formula ko sa utak ko. Ngayon, paano ko siya ma-execute?
Mhm.
Makulit ako. May ADHD ako eh. So, well, naulit ako, ano na yun, yung may, maligalig.
Maligalig.
Maligalig
Okay,
ako.
aha.
So, paano ko siya maipapasok sa ganitong eksena, sa ganitong concept, no? Doon ko siya nagamit, doon ko siya nabe-benefit. Okay, sa mga friends ko, sa mga nakakilala sa akin, sa mga nagfa-follow, alam nila na yung some of my contents, fast cuts, takbuhan, extreme sports, yung something na energy draining, at the same time, parang yung buhay na buhay, yung nararamdaman mo siya, yung may hype, yung may fast feeling, no, yung may build up, ganyan. So, doon ko siya ibibigay. So, that's the best thing na sabi ko, okay, in order para maging unique yung gawa mo, you have to connect your creation with your personality. Yun yung sabi ko, okay, ito kasi dati, okay, singing, arts, ganyan, at siya, you can hear it everywhere. Pero hanggat mararamdaman mo siya, it really goes into you kasi alam mo na yung pakiramdam na gano'n. If you really put yourself into your craft, dun mo siya masasabi na, okay, you are unique. You have something, kasi lahat tayo, may kanya-kanya tayong daloy ng dugo, daloy ng pag-iisip.
Yes.
So if you really put it into perspective na you have na parang artistry is a reflection of you. So doon mo masasabi na okay, unique ka. Ikaw
Yes.
yan. Ikaw yan. Okay, gets mo? Parang ganun siya.
So talagang ano no, ang
Mm.
goal talaga is you have to create something na kakaiba from others.
Yes.
Kasi the goal is really for you to stand out.
Mm.
'Di ba? Kasi as we have mentioned a while ago, marami na tayong kompetensya. Ano ba yung may offer mo na different
Mm.
from others? Yan. O, magandang tip yan, guys, ha?
Yes.
Lalo na for those na gustong mag-start ng kanilang mga content creations, kailangan talaga maging unique ka.
Yes.
Ano, what's your edge among the others? Parang ganyan ang question dyan, di ba? So, sir, kayo po ba? Kasi we're talking about your styles in shoots, no? One thing or one particular kasi na nakita ko from the latest posts that you have, talagang environment,
Yes.
tourism ang mga
Yes.
captures ninyo. So,
So,
paano po kayo napunta dun, sir?
okay, that's a very nice question. Very, very nice. I am a person na sobrang inspired ko sa mga nakikita ko.
Mhm.
Sobrang inspired ako na to the point na parang I love taking memories.
Mhm.
And if I want to go back to these memories, gusto ko Hollywood quality yung memories na yan.
Yes.
Parang ganun siya. So, kung kukuha ka na nga lang ng memory sa buhay mo, why not make it in 4K resolution?
Yes.
No? Pero aside from that, in a more friendlier explanation,
Mhm.
gusto ko kasi na kaya kami napadpad rin sa ganito kasi inspired din ako sa mga tao sa paligid ko.
Mhm.
Inspired ako sa mga nakikita ko online.
Mhm.
Social media played so much role in shaping that kung paano natin nakikita, kung paano nabubus yung tourism.
Yes.
No? And in the simplest way na nagpupunta ka, you are inviting people to really love the country.
Mhm.
No? So, ayun. So, upon doing those craft, kaya ko rin siya na-introduce kasi kami nung girlfriend ko, si Jaira, sobrang hilig namin gumala.
Mhm.
And nung kumalat, nung nag-grow na yung Reels,
Mhm.
Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, sumabay kami.
Mhm.
So doon lumabas yung parang, okay, nabubus ako. Ay, okay, sige, gawin ko pa to. I will create more. Kasi may mga tao nakaka-appreciate. So, yun. Then, and on that side naman, before, nag-shoot kasi kami talaga ng mga tourism videos ng mga pageants. National
Okay,
pageants, Miss
ayan.
Earth, Miss Universe, Miss World, Miss Tourism Philippines, Binibining Pilipinas recently lang. Nag-shoot kami ngayon. Yun yung aming recent project. Then, yun, nagtuloy-tuloy na. Hanggang sa parang sabi ko, hindi ko pwedeng ginagawa. Kasi sabi ko, okay, maganda yung mga nasushoot namin. Hindi ko pwedeng, nagagawa ko lang to kapag may ganitong project. So sabi ko, I will do it every time. Okay, so sige, gawin natin lagi. And ayun. And last thing na naging thankful rin ako dito is, marami akong nakilalang influencers.
Yes.
No? Example, si Chris and Jai, yung friend namin, shoutout sa kanila. They are from Mindanao. Yun. Adam Alejo, if you're familiar, shoutout sa kanya. Na-meet ko naging tropa na rin namin, creating videos, no? Umaakit kami ng mga bundok, nagva-vlog, yan. And ayun. So, parang naging ano ko siya, naging relief ko siya. At the same time, naging parang passion ko na rin siya. And siguro ang pinaalis ko na lang doon is maraming tao na appreciate yun. So, yun yung pinaka-best ko na yun yung parang motivation ko and yun yung nag-fuel sa akin. Kaya na-enjoy ko yung ganito.
Yes.
And I just really love yung ganda ng Philippines in general.
And that's very true, no? Kasi marami siyang perks.
Yes.
Di ba? While you're doing the job, nakaka-travel kayo.
Yes.
Di ba?
Yes.
And you got to experience firsthand yung culture as well as yung surroundings, the environment itself. Kasi kung hindi ako nagkakamali, way back 2025, you have the Sinulog.
Yes, last year, yes. Talagang, namin yun, talagang, yes, this one. Nagsinulog kami last year, parang sinulit talaga namin siya kasi I really want the vibe. Kasi before, nung high school ako, drummer ako ng street dance mga festival, ganyan. So, parang lumaki ako na, andun ako sa environment na yun.
Yes.
Lumaki ako sa environment na may mga na festive, na masaya, ganyan. So parang habang tumatagal yung memory ko doon, habang lumalayo ako sa nakaraan kong ganun, hinahanap-hanap ko yung feeling ng maging isang performer.
Yes.
Parang ganun. So sabi ko, hindi naman na ako makapag-perform ulit, hindi na ako makapagtugtog ulit, di ba? So ginawa ko na lang siya na sa sarili kong craft page, taking videos, taking festivals, napupunta kami ng iba't ibang festivals across the Philippines, no, provincial, ganyan, city na festivals, and yun nga pinakamalaki namin is Sinulog, which is last year. So, yun.
Maliban sir sa tourism and sa mga beauty queens na mga videos natin that we are creating, no, that promotes yung ganda ng Pilipinas. Wow, di ba?
Yeah.
Wow, Philippines, ganda siya.
Yes.
Ang luma ng reference sa wow, Philippines. Refer maliban po sa niche na yun, meron pa ba kayong ibang type ng videos that you are shooting? Maliban doon. Kasi if I'm not mistaken, you're also doing short films, tama ba?
Yes, short films naman. Yung short films naman namin, gumagawa kami ng short films and production kasi yun yung main na namin na sa work namin, sa field of work namin. Then mostly nagsushoot kami ng music videos at tapos yung sister company naman namin which is the Friday Films. Yes, Friday ngayon. Sa Friday Films kami ay mga kinukuha namin ay mga student films. Kaya namin nakilala si Yvonne, yung isang behind our camera. Yeah.
Yes.
So doon natin siya nakilala. Then ayun. Tapos production, yun yung parang bread and butter namin ngayon. So doon kami nakakakain, nakakapagbayad ng renta. Yan sa ganong work. Yun yung aming 24/7 work.
Na income.
The 24/7
income generating.
Yes.
Pero kayo ba sir, personally, what's the difference between tourism shoots and yung mga short films? Alin ba doon ang mas
that's
effort or alam mo yun, yung mas mahirap gawin?
Yes, okay. For me, ang mas mahirap talaga is shooting short films, production.
Short films,
Yan. Mas
okay.
mahirap siya kasi you have to arrange things pa. Okay. Example, kailangan mong itong ganitong oras, what time is it? Today is 7:30 p.m. So, kailangan mo siyang paano mo siya pagmumukhaing tanghaling tapat?
Yes. At kung minsan may hinahabol kayong oras.
Yes, actually.
Kasi ang mga lightings and alam mo yung surroundings, diba? Kung record gabi, kailangan gabi.
Yes. So, parang mas kailangan siyang maging rigged, mas staged siya, mas meticuloso kami sa settings ng cameras, mas meticuloso kami sa angles. Kumbaga, you really should have keen eye for every details for that. So, while on the other hand naman, yung tourism video parang either we are shooting tourism ng with or without the beauty queens or the candidates, parang mas chill kami doon kasi mas what you see, we shoot konting adjustment, we're adding lights and whatsoever. So parang mas nadadalian kami kasi ready na siya.
Yes.
You just have to shoot, you just have to rehearse some shots, and yun na yun. Parang ganun. So, the difference between that is yung isa kailangan mo siyang i-stage, i-rig na maayos. While yung isa parang konting masahe lang, then okay.
Kaya mo iayos yung isa, no? Kasi, again, it's a short film. It has script.
Yes.
May sinusundan kang story.
Yes.
Line, no? So, kailangan mo siya talagang i-stage at kailangan ayusin nyo siya ahead of time.
Yes.
Eto, sir, kasi, di ba, when we are doing shoots, syempre may team tayo and iba-iba yung trabaho niyan. I was actually listening to one of your podcasts a while ago about it. Yung pagdating sa division of work sa isang shoot. Kayo ba personally, sir? Kasi alam ko you're already directing as well, di ba? Yung mga ganitong shoots natin. Kayo ba mismo, sir, meron ba kayong specific styles kung paano ninyo pagagalawin yung mga tao natin sa set?
Okay. That's very nice question. So, kapag nag-shoot kami, ako yung nagdi-direct. Tapos meron kaming subsection niyan, merong sa camera department, merong department for the wardrobe, which is under din ng team namin, meron kaming logistics, which will ihatid kami from point A to point B to another locations whatsoever. And meron din kaming post-production, may editor kami,
Yes.
meron
Aha.
kaming colorist, ganyan. So, apart from that, bawat isang yon kailangan mo siyang kailangan mo pa rin siyang kahit papano hindi naman i-supervise, pero kailangan mo pa rin siyang to look on it
Mhm.
kasi bilang someone who leads the team, who leads the production is parang meron pa ring may freedom yung mga tao at the same
Mhm.
time mabibigyan mo pa mamamandate mo pa rin siya.
Yes.
So
Aha.
yun naman yung parang gusto kong mas ayusin sa amin, which is syempre yung team, we are still young, we are still
Mm.
kailangan mo pa rin, yun yung natutunan ko, kailangan mo pa rin ng freedom. Give them the freedom. Give the creative people the freedom that they need.
Mm.
Kasi if you give them the freedom, the creative freedom, mas mag-grow sila.
Yes.
Pero hindi all the time is my freedom.
Yes.
Dapat
Aha.
in the end, babaliin mo pa rin eh.
Mhm.
Ibibigyan mo pa rin yan ng, okay, feedback is very important.
Mhm.
Feedback, kailangan mo pa rin yan ng take it with a grain of salt. Yan.
Yes.
So,
Aha.
yun. Hindi all the time kailangan ikaw. Meron pa rin na dapat tao or factor na mababali yung freedom mo.
Yes,
Yun.
exactly.
Mhm.
Freedom. Feedback is very important.
Yes,
kasi
yes.
hindi sa lahat ng bagay, it's always fun. Alam mo, hindi masama na while you're doing these things, no, na
Mhm.
mag-enjoy ka. Hindi yun
Yes.
masama. Pero, you also have to take note na, hey, trabaho ito. So,
Yes,
still, we still have to control
Mhm.
things out. Kasi kung hindi natin i-control yan, di ba, it might turn disastrous. Wow, what's the word?
Disastrous.
Disastrous. Ayan, sige. Cut mo na natin, Sir Rap.
Alright.
Punta lang tayo sa comment section.
Yun.
I-check lang natin kung meron tayong mga additional comments dyan. Ayan.
Uy.
Mukhang marami-rami ito,
Dami
Okay. So, ayan. Simulan natin kay Lidon Collejo. Kuya Jong Medina, hands up daw. Ayan. From Agabus. Tama ba yung
Agabus,
pag-pronounce?
yes.
Agabus. Agabus Masa, shoutout po, Sir Jong. Ayan.
Yun.
Perfect's here. Yan, Marvin. Hello. Shout out po from Sir Jong Medina. Ayan. From Eunice Magno, have you ever had a situation in your work that almost stopped you from continuing it? If so, what stopped you from giving up your passion?
Okay. Siguro lahat naman tayo, meron tayong seasonal na existential crisis.
Yes, totoo
Meron
naman yan.
yan. Pizza de peligro,
Mhm.
di ba? May sepangs ka dun sa example, may friend kang matagal na bago mo makita.
Mhm.
Magkakaroon ka ng existential crisis. Meron kang kaklase before na nakapagpundar ng ganito, na nakapagpunta ng ibang bansa. Meron at meron ka pa rin talagang kahit papaano what if sa utak natin.
Mm.
And yung what if na yun yung kumakain sa joy na
Mhm.
meron ka. And it's slowly killing your personality.
Mhm.
And yeah, yun. Meron at meron ka talagang papatay ng passion mo
Mhm.
para mag-stop ka. Pero ang lagi ko na lang iniisip is look how far have you done.
Mhm.
Tama ba yun?
Tama.
Tumingin ka na lang kung hanggang saan na yung napuntahan mo.
Napuntahan mo. Yes.
So, and ayun, another reason naman for me is I don't have to stop kasi when I stop, may mga taong maaapektuhan.
Mhm.
Okay? So, parang you are acting as someone who, parang you are acting as someone na you are the captain of your boat.
Yes.
Now, once you stop driving your boat, driving ba ang boat? Once you stop rowing the boat, lahat kayo ay apektado.
Yes.
So yun
Mhm.
yun naman yung reason na parang ganun na on the financial side. Pero on the side of my emotional na meron talagang it's a test.
Mhm.
It's a test on how strong is your faith,
Mhm.
how strong is your willingness,
Mhm.
yung commitment mo papunta doon,
Yes.
no? Parang hindi mo alam if it's a test, parang hindi yan pinakita sa'yo na stop ka na, wala ka nang papatunguhan dyan, or it's a challenge na kailangan mong lagpasan.
Yes.
No, it's either on that side, no, it's either yun nga, you are looking it positively or negatively. So, kapag may seasonal tayo na ano, actually, mayroon akong existential crisis, naka-schedule siya. Every 8 p.m.
Malapit na. Teka lang.
Joke lang. Hindi, para siyang it's a seasonal, it's hindi, kahit sino meron yan. It just depends on how you handle it. Darating at darating yan, nagkaroon ka ng malaking utang, di ba? Pero ang utang, nababayaran.
Yes.
Di ba? Bumaha yung bahay nyo, hupa yan, di ba?
Yes, pero gastos pa rin yun eh.
Di ba? Sabi nga nila, if there's always a sun after the moon. After the rain yan.
After the rain, yan.
There's always a sun after the rain. So, ayun, kaya, habang nandun ka sa situation na yon, you just have to remain calm and look for solutions.
Yes,
Yeah.
totoo yan. Feeling ko, sa tingin ko, dumadaan to sa lahat ng tao. Mapapatanong ka minsan sa sarili mo na tama pa ba yung tinatahak kong landas, di ba? Pero gaya nga ng sabi ni Sir Jong, no, you just have to continue it. Push mo lang. Especially if you think that you are enjoying it at sa tingin mo naman nagagawa mo naman ng tama, yung mga kailangan, may push mo lang, di ba? Magtutuloy-tuloy yan sa madaling sabi. Yan. So, sorry, meron pa tayong mga comments ba sa ating comment section? Ayan. Proud of you, Nak Jong. Yan, from Nancy Rirao Medina. Yan. From Joshua Fortuna, Di Makulangan. As a comm student, I'm aspiring filmmaker. We all know po na magastos po ang pagpuproduce ng film. Meron daw po ba kayong naging experience na palugi
Okay,
yung
yes.
production?
Yan. Very nice question, Joshua, no? Okay, backstory lang, no? Hindi kami mayaman, our family is not rich, ganyan. When I was in grade 8 high school ako, nagbenta ako ng tinapay. Yung mga otap. Alam niyo yung otap? Yung matigas, yung pang
kape.
Pang kape, pang coffee
Sakto.
session. So, yung otap talaga, nagbenta ako ng ganun ng high school ako para makabenta ako ng pinakauna kong lens. Yan. Galing pa siya ng eBay. Alam mo yung eBay?
eBay pa.
eBay, basta eBay. Yung mga second hand, mga ganyan. So, yun. Flash forward, the rest is history. Bubupundar ka ng ganyan and whatsoever. So, meron kang pagkakataon na malulugi ka. May mga pagkakataon na uuwi ka, ang mauuwi mo lang ay very, konti lang. 1,000, 2,000 lang mauuwi mo. Samantalang yung mabibigay mo sa tao mo is mas malalaki. Meron talaga hindi mawawala yan. Hanggang ngayon na-experience pa rin namin yun na nalulugi kami. Ako, personally. Pero, ang ginagawa ko sa ganyan is iniisip ko na lang na you are offering the service. They love your service. Kumbaga, ikaw ay hinar kang isang baker ka and they love your tinapay. Yan, parang gano'n. Na in the long run, may mas maraming bibili sa iyo ng tinapay.
Yes.
Yun yung parang iniisip ko na, maybe I'm wrong, no? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's just an excuse lang, no, na para hindi maging financially literate. Pero, ayun, may pagkakataon talaga na malulugi ka. May pagkakataon ka na gusto mong malugi ka. And paano ko sasabihin na gusto ko malugi ako? If I have something na gustong-gusto ko, na sobrang passionate ako, na even though umuwi akong bawas yung bank account ko, okay lang yun. Basta nagawa ko siya.
Yes.
Yun. Kasi regardless of may mauwi ka man o hindi, ang mahalaga is may kliyenteng natuwa. May kliyente na alam mo in the future ay makukuha mo pa rin.
Yes.
And may mga taong kumita dahil sa'yo. May mga taong may pamilya rin, na may mga tao kang kasamang nag-aaral, na nakagraduate, na may mga kapatid na pinapaaral, may pamilya, may anak na natulungan mo. So, that's the most important thing na okay lang yan na umuwi ka man na ganito lang yung kita ko, gigising pa rin naman na bukas, may kakainin pa rin naman na bukas.
Yes.
So, yun yung mas mahalaga para sa akin.
Ang galing no, sir, no? Kasi ganyan talaga kapag arts not unlike with yung may mga regular job tayo na nasa field ng hospital, mga corporate. Kasi, dyan kasi, magtrabaho ka or hindi, meron papasok na income, no? Sa arts kasi kailangan mo talaga siyang paghirapan,
Yes,
especially yung pagkuha ng clients, no? And that's very true, no? I've been working in a production, no? And parati kong naririnig yan na sometimes,
Mhm.
kumbaga ano yan eh, kumbaga ikaw na mismo yung gagawa ng kusa. Kasi
Mhm.
alam mong malulugi ka,
Mhm.
pero on the other side, alam mong meron ding makikinabang dun sa
Yes,
ginawa mo. 'Di ba? Malay
Mhm.
mo, sabi mo nga sir, paano kung may part ng team mo na
Mhm.
kailangan 'yun kasi tuition,
Yes,
'di ba? Wala silang pangkain tonight,
Mhm.
pero dahil binigyan mo ng trabaho, may
Mhm.
pumasok, may nakain sila, 'di ba? And
Mhm.
in some way or another, kahit na maliit yung pumasok sa at palugi,
Aha.
pero yung epekto nun sa ibang tao, we'll never
Malaki.
know.
Yes,
'Di ba? Hindi natin alam kung
Mhm.
ano nangyayari sa labas.
Aha.
Napakaganda. Wow.
Well, shoutout pala kay Nel tsaka kay Ange. Magjowa sila ng atim ko. Graduation
Aha.
nila ngayon.
Wow!
Kaka-graduate lang nila.
Happy graduation po sa
Yan,
inyo. Ayan, congratulations.
So, yun lang. Shoutout lang sa kanila.
Ayan, sige. Tuloy po natin, sir.
Okay,
Marami pa tayong comment dito.
sure.
Ayan, from Rachel Pulion, how do you balance artistic perfectionism with tight production budgets and schedules? Medyo dinugo ako sa English ni Mami Ray. So, paano nyo daw po i-balance ang artistic perfectionism
Mhm.
versus, sorry, ano nga ulit yun? Versus sa production
Production
budgets
budgets.
and
Aha.
schedules. O nga naman. Kasi it should compensate di
Mhm.
ba?
So, ayun, hanggang ngayon, we're still struggling kung paano siya i-negotiate yung mga ganun. Pero, we have some successful projects before na
Mhm.
napag-balance namin na we are reaching more than what the client expected. Is una, communication is always the policy. It's always the key.
It's always
no?
the key, yes.
Communication is always the key. And number two, is ito yung parang pinaka-tinataga ko sa bato na pinaka-non-negotiable is give enough time for the pre-production.
Mhm.
Give enough time for the pre-production. Yan yung binabaliwala ko before nung kami ay starting pa lang. Pero doon mo makikita lahat ng mali. Kasi kahit na sabihin mo it's just a pre-production, it's still part of the process.
Mhm.
No, parang warm up na yan di ba?
Yes,
Parang pag
aha.
example tumakbo ka o yan, nagbundok ka, no, hindi ka nag-warm up, kinabukasan masakit yung ano mo,
Katawan
parang,
mo,
actually,
yes,
masakit
oo.
talaga siya hanggang ngayon. Anyway, parang hindi mo siya babaliwalain kasi it's always part of the bigger picture.
Mhm.
Yun, so you have to really to just tell them what you want, and also parang communication lang, okay, ganito lang po yung kaya natin for this budget or whatsoever. And ayun, clients will also understand that na okay, we'll meet halfway, na aayusin natin na okay, sure, sige, ganyan, proceed tayo, ganun. So it's always the communication, and always give priority to the pre-production talaga. Yun talaga. Non-negotiable.
Okay. That's very true kasi kailangan hindi mo ka alam mo yon, may mga limitations kasi pagdating sa budget. And fortunately, 'di ba, kahit na gustuhin natin na bonggahan yung production, kung ito lang yung budget natin, unfortunately hindi talaga siya kaya.
Yes.
But this is a curious question, sir.
Yes.
Nagkaroon na ba kayo ng client na, sorry for the term, and we're not pertaining to any or someone person, no? Pero nagkaroon na ba kayo ng experience, sir, na ang client ninyo is like they're asking this too much, pero the budget can't compensate?
Yes.
May and how do you handle yung mga ganong situation?
Yung mga ganong pagkakataon is buti na lang nangyari na yun nung panahon na the payment for us is just enough for our lifestyle. Na parang buti na lang yung mga ganong mga tao ay nangyari na before pa lang, na hindi pa, na parang kami pa lang, 2-3 pa lang kami sa team, na okay, sige, go. Buti na lang na dumaan na lang sila sa buhay namin. Yun. So pero ngayon, if we have some issues na ganun na they are asking for more and more, we just have to take it down. So pasensya na po, hindi po talaga kaya, and ganyan. So kasi pansin namin, if people are, kapag una pa lang, kausap mo pa lang, masakit na sa ulo, hanggang dulo masakit sa ulo yan.
Yes.
So yun, parang natutunan na namin, okay, sige po, next time, explain mo rin na hindi talaga siya kaya. With all the manpower, with all the skills, and with all the with all the efforts na i-extend namin, hindi talaga siya kakayanin.
Mhm.
So, kapag mga ganyang bagay, yung ginagawa namin before, nag-switch kami ng market namin. So, nag-switch kami ng ganitong market. We are targeting more to the premium, no? Mas may kaya yan, yung mas may maiintindihan yung artistry namin.
Yes.
So, yun yung nangyari. Kaya ganun. And para siyang para siyang you can avoid naman di ba? So yun, it's still if papasukin mo or iiwas ka, di ba?
Yes.
So ayun siya.
Yeah, so we really have to understand kasi itong mga pinag-usapan natin right now, these are technicalities kasi itong mga to, right? And unfortunately, meron kasi talagang mga limits, no? As much as we would like to do it na ibigay yung best natin, pag hindi talaga siya kaya, unfortunately, hindi talaga siya kaya. Yan. So, sorry, patingin nga ulit ng comment section. Tingnan lang natin, basahin lang natin lahat, no? Ayan, medyo mahaba-haba pa pala ito. From Micaela Martires, ayan, pa-shoutout daw po, my goat.
My God.
Me. Ano ulit to?
Chris,
tama. Chris Morito. Thank you, Jong Medina, ayan. Daniel Carbonell, my idol. Wow! Yan, kay Jay Juliano. Yo, Jong, di ba pumasok sa isip mo dalhin sa ibang bansa ang talent mo? O nga, no? Have you tried going international?
Actually, si Sir Jay, friend ko siya, he is working now in UAE.
Oh.
So, nakakausap ko siya na ganito ang galawan dito, na you just have to show up for 3 hours, tapos 3 times yung balik sa'yo compared sa Philippine price. So, yeah, well, in this economy, pumapasok pa rin naman siya sa isip namin, pero, the right time will come, no, na para ganon. Well, it's na we're not closing our doors naman for opportunities, pero yeah, if there are opportunities, why not, di ba? So, ayun.
Totoo. Yan. So, from Reynald Sagolili, ayan, love you, Jong. Ayan. Next, from Tatay Reynaldo, Florida, Jay Juliano, gusto ko tong tanong na to.
Yung pang-ibang bansa.
Pang-ibang bansa, di ba? Sorry, is this JAC or Jack? Jack Dantes? Ayan, pa-shoutout daw po.
Hello po.
Ayan, shoutout. Ayan, Reynaldo Sagolili. Reynald, sorry. Pa-shoutout, Jong. Ayan, so that's the last as of right now sa ating comment section.
Okay po.
Ayan. So, sir, this is just a curious question lang to, ha?
Yes,
If, for example, makakaharap mo ngayon yung 10 years old version of you, anong sasabihin mo sa kanyang message?
10 years old version of me, you are made, kung makakaharap ko man, no? Saan yung camera natin? Hindi, ito na lang. Yung 10 years old na version ko, I am, makulit. Yan. I was makulit. Hindi ako academically achiever. Hindi ako matalino talaga. Like, okay lang pumasok. Well, both of my parents are teacher kasi. So, well, okay lang yan. So, expectation sa'yo mataas. Okay lang yan kasi binibuild ka lang ng tadhana, ng pagkakataon para kung ano ka ngayon. And lahat ng na-experience mo sa buhay mo, hinahanda ka lang yan sa mas malaking, para sa mas malaking laro ng buhay.
Yes.
Yan. So, lahat ng mga, well, hindi ko naman sinasabing tragic yung nangyari sa buhay ko or what. Hindi naman siya ganun. Pero, I can say na yung ugali mong nakukuha kasi sobrang laki ng factor ng environment. So, yung environment mo, yan yung mag-shape sa'yo para maging kung ano ka ngayon. So, the 10-year-old me, just enjoy yourself, enjoy living, no? Diyan ka muna, mahal ng bilihin dito. Hindi. Parang just enjoy it. No? Kasi magagamit mo yan, yung kulit mo, yung creativity mo, yung mga bagay, yung mga nasa utak mo, yung mga katanungan sa utak mo, mangyayari yan. And it's sooner than you thought. No? Parang ganon. Yeah, parang ganon po.
Ang ganda, no? Kasi totoo yan eh. Siguro, actually, nabasa ko lang, hindi ko alam kung saan ko nakita to kanina, no? But, it's like yung story, it's telling us na yung mga bata right now, gusto na nila lumaki. Yung mga adults naman natin or yung mga nasa old age na, they wanted to be young naman this time, no? Kumbaga, hindi tayo makontento with what we currently have as state. Pero maganda yung sinabi mo, sir, you just have to stay there. Enjoy mo lang muna yung life mo dyan nasa 10 years old. Kung ano man yung gusto mo in the future, makukuha at makukuha mo siya.
Yes.
Dadaan siya.
Actually, sir, yung nasabi mo kung bakit ganun yung perspective ng bata sa matanda and vice versa. Actually, may napanood rin ako na explanation bakit ganun, no? Kasi nung bata tayo, sobrang excited nating tumanda. Kasi may mga nakikita tayong matatanda na nag-enjoy sa buhay
Nag-enjoy
nila.
sa buhay, yes.
Na parang high school, elementary ka, ano kayang pakiramdam ng high school? High school ka, ano kayang pakiramdam ng college na pwede kang mag-bar ng ganito?
Yes.
Nang pwede ka na mag-jowa. Nung college ka, ano kayang pakiramdam na may pasarili ka ng sweldo? No? 'Di ba? Parang tuloy-tuloy yun eh. It's just na parang paano mo masasabi na hindi tayo nakokontento kasi behind our minds, parang naiinggit tayo sa bagay na hindi pa natin nagagawa. And kaya tayo sobrang uhaw na makamit yon. Kasi parang, kaya tayo sobrang uhaw na gawin yon. Kasi parang it's always the nature of the people, of the human nature na ganun. Kaya pag nandun ka na, parang may regret ka sa sarili mo na, okay, ba't hindi ko siya ginawa noon? Dapat pala, noong ganitong pagkakataon, ninamnam ko na. Na nung nasa pagkakataon noon na to, in-enjoy ko na. Kasi, life is short to double tap. Double tap. Life is short to double tap. So, parang, kung anasan ka man ngayon, at this moment, pagkakataon na to, hindi na siya mauulit. So, you have to really enjoy it, to really feel it. And, yun.
Ang ganda nung sinabi mo, sir, no? It's really a realization Natotoo nga naman yun, kung bata ka, you're very curious of what's going to happen next. Diba? And pag nandun ka na sa moment na yun, parang, pag naramdaman mo na yung realidad ng buhay, parang parang gusto ko na lang maging bata ulit. Kasi wala akong pinoproblema, di ba? Napakaganda. Kasi it's a very good realization na as much as possible, no? Kasi darating yung time na tatanda tayo. So why not do kung ano yung sa tingin mo magpapasaya sa'yo at mag-e-enjoy ka along the process. Di ba? Ayan. So, sir, wait lang kasi may naglapag ng stars.
Uy, 10 stars!
Maraming salamat po sa palapag ng stars. Mr. Danilo Torazo.
Si Kuya DL. Hello, Kuya DL.
Ayan, thank you po. Salamat po. Ayan. Idol ko to from Dan Makito.
Yes.
Ayan. Yan, Tatay Ronaldo Florida, with that scenario, and I quote, men are bounded to two agonies, the regret of the past and the fear of tomorrow. So take the right use of today. Wow, ang ganda nun,
Napakalalim yun.
Totoo yan.
Totoo yan,
ang time kasi hindi mo na may babalik yan.
Yes.
Right? So you just have to enjoy it along the way. Diba? Ayan. So, sir, medyo kakambyo ko ng konti.
Okay,
Lilipat tayo ng segment. Ayan.
Okay, yan ang gusto ko.
So, pupunta na tayo sa next segment natin. Ang kaya mo ba ang tapang ng kape?
Kahit 7 shots of espresso, yan kaya-kaya.
Okay. So, ganito ang mechanics natin.
Okay.
Simple lang naman siya. So, we have 3 cups here, pero hindi siya kita. No? Itaas natin ng konti. Ayan. So, we have 3 cups here. No? Yung red natin na cup, these are hot questions.
Okay, hot questions.
Ayan. Yung green naman natin, these are naughty questions. Ayan. And ang blue naman, these are memory questions.
Okay, nice.
So, ang kailangan mo lang, sir, bumunot ka lang ng isang questions per cup. And itatanong natin yan.
Isa-isa sa tatlo.
Tigi-tigisa lang. Yes.
So,
unahin natin ang hot. Gusto mo ng hot?
Gusto ko
Sige.
to. Hot muna tayo.
Okay, let's go first with the hot question. Ayan. Dapat may sound effects. Tong, chong, chong. Joke lang. Okay. Jong.
Yes.
May specific feature or part ba sa katawan ng partner mo na super attractive ka?
Naku, yun lang. Oh my God. Ay, nawala siya.
Nag-CR.
Okay. Siguro, the lower body. Yun. Yung legs, yan.
At talagang very hot ang question na to, ha? Bakit yung lower body, sir?
Wait lang natin siya. Hindi, siguro gusto ko kasi yung the philosophy of yung kung paano pumostura ang isang tao.
Mhm.
Kasi makikita mo paano pumustura ang isang tao o kung gaano siya ka-smarte,
Mhm.
what do you call this? Parang karespeto, like that.
Mhm.
The based on how they look. So, parang yun, parang, ayan na siya.
Ayan na
Ayan
siya.
na siya, ayan na siya.
Huwag ka mag-alala,
Ayan.
may monitor, sir, sa
Wala,
CR.
namumula ako. So, ayun, parang, yes, the lower part of the legs. Yan.
Aha.
Kasi, uy, yan na naman siya. Kinikilig ako. And then, parang yun. So, parang, kasi on the posture, doon mo makita kasi, yung ako per judgment is on the lower part of the body kasi kung gaano ka yung character ng isang tao, doon mo siya makikita.
Yes. Wow. So talagang very lower part of the body tayo dyan. Okay. Tsaka kumbaga, especially kapag you're going to meet people, di ba? Usually kasi, hindi ko alam, is it only me? Or ako lang ba? It's really yung paa, sa may paang part, pataas, half of the body. Yun talaga yung una kong, well, kasi medyo kinulang ako sa height. So,
Same.
talagang yun talaga ang yun talaga ang unang tinitignan, no? Sige, let's move on to your next question. Ano gusto mo, sir? Naughty or memory?
Naughty, syempre.
Naughty tayo.
Yun.
Ayan. This is your naughty question, Jong. Sana ma-open ko. Ayun. Ayan. Anong physical picture ang tinitignan mo sa isang tao para masabi mong iuuwi ko to? Ulitin natin. Ang question, anong physical feature ang tinitignan mo sa isang tao para masabi mong iuuwi ko to?
Inuuwi ko na lagi. Hindi, the smile.
Wow!
Yan. Smile kasi mahilig ako mag-shoot yung video, pina-photo, ganyan.
Mhm.
So, wala, inuwi ko na eh.
Inuwi mo
Parang
na.
ganun, parang it is also related to shooting, to
Yes.
passion. Yan.
Aha.
So, yun, the smile.
Actually, totoo yun, no? Kapag maaliwalas yung mukha, usually kasi nakangiti.
Yes,
Diba?
yes, the smile.
And iba kasi yung feeling na yung nakabusangot, 'di ba? Parang problema. May ganun. So, iba pa rin talaga kapag maganda yung smile, parang ang gaan-gaan parati ng pakiramdam, no?
Yung girlfriend ko kasi, si Jaira, madalas tumawa yan ng mag-isa niya lang.
Ay, teka lang.
Lalo na pag nagre-reels yan, naka-full volume yung reels niyan, yung reels niya na tinatawanan niya parang 10 reels ago na siya, tumatawa pa rin siya, parang ganun. So,
Ay, very masayahin.
very masayahin.
Yan.
Minsan nga, nag-sleep, sleep laugh.
Biglang tumawa.
Parang ganun.
Wow.
Sleep laugh. May ganun pala, sleep laugh.
Sleep love na.
Sleep laugh.
And that's very talaga, nakaka-bring ng positive
Yes.
vibes, no? Okay, sige, let's move on to last question na lang on your memories question.
Blue.
Let's see, sa blue question.
Mama mo,
Ayan, ang question mo, Jong, kailan mo na-feel na nasa pinakamababang point ka ng buhay mo?
Yan. Ay, gusto ko yan. Okay.
So after natin magtawanan, no, medyo
Sige, I feel na ito. I'm one of my lowest part of my life. Siguro during the pandemic talaga.
Okay.
Kasi during the pandemic, story lang, namatay lola ko, lolo ko, and yung tito ko. So parang sobrang sad. Tapos before, while I am in the province, so parang feeling ko before, kasi may mga friends na ako in the Metro Manila. Here in Metro Manila, sobrang paldong-paldo sila sa Metro Manila. Samantalang ako, bakit ganito ako?
Yes.
So, titingnan mo talaga na, the thief of joy, jealousy is the thief of joy.
Yes.
So, parang nagsiselos ako na, mga tropa ko, ganito yung buhay nila sa Metro Manila, na sobrang lakas nila. Samantalang ako, ba't ganito ako sa province? No, nung pandemic, nagsushoot ako every week ng libing. So, mga ganun. So, parang, feel ko I'm up at my lowest before kasi ang perspective ko before is hanggang doon na lang ako. Sa tingin ko, hanggang doon na lang ako. There's a bubble between me na parang, okay, andyan na lang ako. I am sad, I am in fear, nawalan pa kami ng mahal sa buhay. So, parang ganun. And enough lang, I'm just earning money, just enough for the tuition, kasi nag-aaral pa ako before. ayun, at I think that's the lowest part of my life. And ayun, hanggang ngayon naman, there's always low parts of my life.
Mhm.
Pero, tumataas ka.
Yes.
Gets mo? So, kahit na nararamdaman mo yung baba na yan, at least you are slowly moving up.
Yes.
It's like moving, it's like you're just climbing a mountain.
Mhm.
May pababa, may
Mhm.
pataas, pa left, pa right.
Aha.
Hindi, joke lang. May pataas, may pababa. Pero habang tumataas ka, kahit na nararamdaman mo yung pagbaba na yan, hindi yan pababa, pataas ka pa rin.
Pataas pa rin.
So
Correct.
even
Aha.
though right now we are feeling the low parts of our life, may pagkakataon na nalulungkot, existential crisis, parang ganun nga,
Mhm.
na the life is slowly we are going higher.
Mhm.
And hindi ibig sabihin na yung pagbaba na yan ay downfall.
Yes.
Yes.
Exactly, no? Ang ganda ng sinabi ni Sir
Mhm.
Joy. Kasi, totoo yan eh. Every one of us will experience that in life.
Mhm.
No, na akala natin, no, na you were able to reach a certain point,
Yes.
tapos biglang bababa ka,
Mhm.
then, actually, hindi yun, like, babang-baba eh.
Yes,
It's
oo.
like, siguro, it's a moment na it would humble you na, hey, teka lang, slow down. Dahan-dahan lang muna, okay? Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun na it would be like bubulusok siya pababa. It's not like that eh. Kumbaga, it wants you to slow down lang para makapag-isip ka ng next step mo for you to move forward. Diba? And marami tayong may experience na ganyan in life. Diba?
Yeah, di ba nga even the flowers need rain to
Yes.
to bloom, di ba?
To bloom.
So
Mhm.
parang ganon. Ang araw may gabi, di
Mhm.
ba? Kaya it's always part of life.
Yes. Ano yan eh, kumbaga, those are the contradictions of life eh, na kahit na it's there, it was meant to be done, or it's ano daw? Teka na, ubos yung English ko. It is meant to be there to balance things out.
Yes,
Yes, kasi kailangan talaga in life, kailangan balance talaga yan eh. Hindi naman pwede na parating joy, parating happy,
Yes,
parating sad. Hindi ganun. It should always hang in balance,
Mhm.
di ba? Ayan. So sir, it's been an hour. Ang bilis ang oras natin.
Bilis,
Actually, ang dami kong pang gustong itanong. No? Pero this would be my last question for you, sir. Now, for those young viewers that we have right now, yung mga audience natin, you personally as a cinematographer, filmmaker, and a content
Yes.
creator, anong advice or what is the best advice that you could give to them right now?
Best advice for me for the people is in order to keep growing, no, you always have to experience the sweets and the salts.
Mhm.
So kailangan mong mapagdadaanan mo 'yan.
Mhm.
So ayun, parang sabi ko kanina, analogy ko ng mountain, pataas ka o gusto mong tumaas, you really have to go up. Pero pag bumaba, hindi yun yung reason para huminto ka.
Mhm.
Okay, so ayun, another thing is you just have to enjoy the life. Enjoy living.
Mhm.
No? So yun, your life is short to really to para i-dip mo yung sarili mo sa you're just working, no, you're just it's at school, no. Give yourself some love, no. Enjoy living. Enjoy the world.
Mhm.
No, parang ganon. Tapos, ano pa ba? Choose the best people around you, na best for you,
Mhm.
no? Kasi yung people sa paligid mo, yan yung magdi-dictate rin ng kung paano mo tratuhin yung paligid mo. Kung paano yung attitude mo, kung paano ka mamomold, no? So, choose properly,
Mhm.
no? Choose wisely. Yan, both
Yes.
wisely. Election. So, yun, parang choose the best people na magsha-shape sa'yo.
Yes.
Tapos, ayun, ano pa ba? Thou shall not kill. Ay, naging 10 commandments. Ayun, ano pa ba? Always love what you are doing. Kung ano yung ginagawa mo ngayon, just you have to do it. Hindi mo kailangan tumingin sa iba na who are doing better than you, who are creating better than you. Kasi, kanya-kanyang season ng buhay yan. Kung kailan ka uusbong, you have your own season na kung kailan ka nagtanim, hindi rin yun yung araw na pipitas ka ng ng
Totoo.
ng bunga, 'di ba?
Mhm.
So, your planting season is not your harvesting season.
Yes.
Kung ikaw ay nagpla-plant ka pa lang ngayon, you are just pinaplat mo pa lang yung iyong skills and whatsoever, hindi rin yan yung taon
Mhm.
na huhusay ka.
Yes.
So yun yung ano ko dati, yung realization ko na, uy, bakit ako, am I doing enough? Samantalang yung ganitong kakilala kong friend, may napatayo ng bahay, may napatayo ng it's like, we all have different estado ng buhay, no? And we all have different runs of life, no? So, you really just to enjoy it. Ang pinakamagandang definition niyan is yun nga, ang kung kailan ka nagtanim, hindi rin yan yung oras na kailan ka pipitas ng bunga.
Yes.
So,
Alam mo,
yun.
sir, ang ganda nun. Totoo yan eh. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, lahat atat.
Yes,
Diba? Like yung kakasimula mo pa lang, gusto mo something na you would reach already kung ano yung na-reach ng iba. Eh, totoo yan eh. Hindi, may sarili tayong milestones. Yun. Yung sabi nga ni sir, hindi, kung nagtanim ka ngayon, hindi ibig sabihin ngayon mo na siya aanihin.
Tama.
At never compare ang kamatis sa bigas.
Yes.
Kasi magkaiba ng timeline, 'di ba? Ang kamatis just 3 months, 4 months, 'di ba? May bunga
yes.
na 'yan. Pero ang bigas kasi, ang palay, you have to wait half of the year
Yes,
bago mo siya anihin. So may kanya-kanya tayong timeline sa buhay.
Yes,
And we have to wait for it na dumating yung timeline na 'yon. And ito yung favorite kong quote na I will keep on clapping for my friends until it is my time
Yes.
to perform.
Tama.
Diba?
Yes.
Kasi ito yung mahirap kasi with the generation right now that we really, alam mo yun, yung kumbaga, ay, bakit siya, may ganito na, bakit si ganito, lumalabas na siya sa TV, yung mga sa dako, ganito. Joke lang.
Ako nga lumalabas sa Facebook Live.
Di ba nga? So, yun, we just have to wait for our own timeline.
Yes.
Yun lang.
Kanya-kanya
Di ba?
lang
May
yan.
kanya-kanya tayong oras. Yan.
Sabi nga ng Bini, huwag mag-alala sa islang
Sa
pantropiko.
pantropiko.
Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di karera. Totoo yun, that's for real. You don't have to really race for the end kasi pwedeng sabay-sabay kayong nag-start, pero ang finish line natin magkakaiba.
Yes,
Yun.
totoo. You just have to wait for your own timeline
Yes.
to come. Diba? Ayan. So, sir, maybe this is the right time, no? Saan ka ba namin pwedeng kontakin? Baka meron tayong
Okay.
mga clients na nanonood dyan out
Yan,
there.
okay.
Ayan. Meron ba kayong mga upcoming gigs or what so? I'm going to leave the floor to you,
Okay,
sir.
so hello po sa inyo, sa mga nakikinig, no? Ano ba? Sa Instagram, guys, sa Instagram, sobrang active ko sa Instagram. Here, Jong_TV. You can follow me sa Instagram, yan. And sa Facebook naman, yan ang aking account. And yun, Jong Medina, yan, dyan nyo po ako makikita. Lahat ng mga gusto nyo makita at hindi nyo gusto makita, makikita nyo dyan. Hindi, joke lang. Also, plugging our business, ang aming production, JMF Production. Ito siya, JMF Production. Yan.
JMF Production.
Yan. Tapos, ano pa ba? Next month, magkakaroon tayo ng, well, hindi ko pa ito wala pang formal announcement, pero sinabi ko na. Next month, magkakaroon tayo ng workshop.
Wow!
Yan, that will be on August 8. Yan.
Wow!
Hindi ko muna sasabihin kung under ng anong brand, pero magkakaroon tayo ng workshop on August 8. Yan.
Yan.
Malapit lang dito actually. Katabing barangay lang.
Abangan nyo yan, guys. Di ba? At syempre, tune in sa mga social media ni Sir para yung mga announcements ng mga upcoming workshops ganito.
Yes.
So that we will be updated. Tama? Ayan. So, again, guys, sorry, meron pa kayong gusto sabihin, Sir?
Wala naman na po. Yun lang. Thank
Okay.
you.
See, guys. So, again, guys, once again, we would like to invite everyone to please do like, follow, and subscribe to our official fan pages with Ignis Novus Artist Management in Facebook and in Instagram. That's Ignis Novus Artist Management. And in TikTok at ignisnovus.official. And of course, our mother production, it's First Sun Production. So if you want to watch the replays of our shows, mga upcoming events, you could tune in on this following official fan pages in Facebook and in Instagram. That's First Sun Production. And if you want to replay our live streams, ayan, yung mga educational contents that First Sun Production is releasing, including yung mga short reels natin, you could follow us and subscribe in YouTube at First Sun Creatives. Ayan. And of course, please also do follow and subscribe to our live streams. Yan, that's under Ignis Novus Artist Management. Syempre, unang-una dyan, every Monday, we have the Chikahan with Mami Ray. That's every Monday, 7 p.m. Up Top Download Podcast with Rian Aragon and Ryan Zhao. How? It's Ryan How. Ayan, sorry. That's Wednesdays at 7 p.m. And of course, every Friday naman, we have the Coffee Chat with the Ven Noveno. So that's every 7 p.m. as well. So make your MWF 7 p.m. a habit with Ignis Novus Artist Management. And also, please also do follow and subscribe to my official pages. Yan, in Facebook and in TikTok, that's Daven Noveno. And in Instagram, it's king_mo_ako. Ayan. So, again, sir, thank you so much for the time. Yan, and
Yes,
for
po.
allowing us to feature you, di ba, of one of our inspirational guests.
Yo.
Ayan. Ayan. And also, we'd also like to thank for our audiences, their viewers, who stayed until matapos itong live na to. Maraming salamat po.
Thank
And
you po.
always, keep dry and keep safe, lalo na ngayong rainy seasons. Ayan, and gaya nga ng parati nating sinasabi, no, life is just like a cup of coffee. You have to taste it for you to enjoy it. So magkita-kita po tayo ulit next week, same time, same day. Bye, guys!
Bye po! Salamat! Bye-bye!
Everyone, it's another beautiful night, and thank God it's Friday. Welcome back to Coffee Chat.
Your identity is concerned. God is so good, He will give you angels.
Mag-aral ka ng dance, voice, lahat ng pwede mong pasukan na aralin mo.
Sa mga director, producers, designers. Number 1 yan sa mga designers. Kasi sila yung...
Life, parang, why would you wait for challenges to come? Hindi ba challenge yung araw-araw na?
Where we brew amazing conversations and inspiring stories.